on? So it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got one. Oh boy, do I ever. Well, this is the new adjust your spicy level Daebak. This is a collaboration between Shinsegai of South Korea and Mommy Double Decker of Malaysia. Made in Malaysia. This is their ghost pepper spicy chicken flavor dry black instant noodles, and I just did the cheese one the other day, the pillow pack sized one, and boy, cleaned my clock. Let me just say that. Here we are. Check those noodles out. They are really dark. They come out looking like they're black. It's really something. But let's add our boiling water in. And there we are. A little submersion. Submerge. And we've got 4 minutes and 15 seconds on the clock. And we'll put this lid on here and set it and forget it. So this one has a big sauce sachet. And I mentioned the adjustable aspect. Here's your ghost pepper oil, and a little bit is spicy. All of it is much more spicy. This, I should say, so their pillow pack ones are identical in size to, I don't know, what do you call it? Popular South Korean variety that is extra super spicy and known for it. Yeah. But this is the same size pouch. So this is obviously going to be a lot less noodle. So this is going to be one I'm going to be able to scarf down quick, and then I'm just going to be like, pound, 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 man. Ew. Yeah, it's going to be nuts. So you can look forward to me going crazy. I'm looking forward to going crazy myself. And yeah, so that's the deal. Got the kids here today, so the mukbang is going to be extra fun and extra special with them. And yeah, we'll do that after this is all set up and looks all pretty. Made some chicken earlier. The oven is still warm. That's so strange. I mean, I cooked it like, God, what did I make it, like 8? And it's 11:20 and the oven is off, yes. But it was 375 for 38 minutes. Turned it off, took it out, done. I'm still, it's not as bad as it was. But about a half an hour ago when I started cooking out here and doing the last 2 reviews, it still just feels really warm in here. I don't know. Can you guys turn it down a little bit? Thank you. So, can you turn it down a little bit, please? They have their tablets while I do this, and they're being good, and I like that. But once this is done being set up and looking all pretty, I will take the tablets, put them on the charger, do my mukbang with their help, and they'll probably give me a bunch of hassle while I'm, turn it down, too loud. And thank you, maybe a little more. But yeah, I'm constantly dealing with the sound of children's stuff. They really like YouTube, and some of the things on YouTube for kids are absolutely mind-numbingly irritating for people of my age group. That makes me sound old. It's my birthday coming up pretty quick. I told my wife, just leave it alone. Don't give me anything. I don't want to deal with it. I don't know. I like getting stuff for my birthday, but I don't like getting stuff that I don't really need, but I like surprises. So it's kind of stupid. It's just like, I'd rather just leave it alone. I don't want to get something for my birthday that I have to put up because we have a dog now, that kind of thing. So it's just like, just leave it be. No. No. I don't know. Put it all on the kids. Have them have their super birthdays. I have more fun with that than with mine. So, yeah. Birthday. I will be 48. I gotta say, to my younger self, my younger self would probably say to me, dude, you review instant noodles? That's what you do? I'm like, yeah. I think my younger self would be really enthused with that. What my younger self would not be enthused with, though, is I live in Washington State in the United States. So what? So what? Well, marijuana is legal here. It's like, I don't. When I was younger, yeah, but my younger self would be like, "What are you doing? Why don't?" Let's see. Do I add any liquid to this one? I don't think I do. It's so small. I want to get this right. I know people will be like, "Oh, don't add any liquid, Ramen Raider. You'll ruin it." It's like, no. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay, let me look at this. Nope, does not look like any liquid gets added. So, all right, let's make it happen. We're gonna drain the noodles. And we're gonna add in the sachets. So here's what you get. That works. Can you guys please turn your tablets down? Or off? Ooh, you're not gonna get them back. So here's this thick, saucy stuff. And then we've got our oil. So this is the ghost pepper oil. See, I'm trying to get it all in there. Alright. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty freaking hot. I know that much. Not for kids. Probably not for adults either. I think this is gonna be pretty violent. I've had it before, but I've never had it where it just has a separate sachet of ghost pepper oil. But we'll get through it. It's a mukbang. Alright. And obviously, since I'm doing a mukbang, I'm not sitting here scarfing it down in front of you right now. But I'm excited. I might do another one tomorrow that's just like the other pillow pack version of this. I know there's others that I have. I've got like, oh, that didn't work out as planned. It'll work. But yeah, I've got other spicy cups that I could do tomorrow. So, Come on. No. Come on. Be good. Be good. These are eggs. Eggs need the loving. Oh, come on. Just lay it down right there. Stay in your spot. And then I've got some chicken. I baked this chicken this morning. I think I mentioned that. Pretty dry. I'll be honest, it came out very, very dry, which doesn't thrill me, but you know, what can you do? So you're like, but it's a mukbang. I'm like, yeah, I know, but aren't you supposed to just down the whole thing straight as fast as you can? Well, listen, I want to make it look nice, and generally what I'll do is push the other stuff out of the way and do the noodle. So I am going to do that. I will add things that really don't have a lot of flavor factor, but make things look nice like that. And I think we're probably good right now. So let's get this party started. Right. Like that? Sure. Alright, so if you're watching this right when it came out, guys, this is that one, and in an hour the mukbang's going to come out. So if you're not, you can just look up Daebak mukbang, the Ramen Raider, and you'll find something. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.